Hello, and welcome again to the Profitable PT. As always, I'm Will Humphreys here helping you increase your income, profits, and net worth. Man, today's an exciting video because we're going to be sharing with you the decision filter. This is the decision filter. When we own a company, we have a lot of hard decisions to make, don't we? Well, it's important that we have a tool to filter whether or not that decision is what's best for everyone involved. Because so many times when we get this decision filter out of whack, it creates unbelievable headaches and problems for us in the long run. Ultimately, to be profitable is to understand the order of impact of each decision. And remember, profitability unlocks possibility. So let's get right into it. The decision filter is to ask ourselves a question: is the thing that I'm deciding, is it what's best for the company, then the owners, then the employees? So oftentimes, employees, if not taught this decision, can make it seem like if a decision is being made for the company first and foremost, that it seems like we're all about the money. That's where our focus is. And that's not further from the truth than we could possibly state, because if we do what's best for the company, I'm going to show you how these things will ultimately benefit the owners and the employees. Let's look at a decision that's the reverse of that. If we make a decision that benefits employees above all else, everyone loses. For example, if we're paying someone to do a job and they're not doing it. It seems like an obvious thing, but it happens all the time. If employees don't have their individual metrics that they're following, and we just assume that they're showing up and doing their job to a great degree because they're trying their best, well, more than likely what's happening is they're not doing as much as they should be doing for the company. But if we can measure that out, of course we can have confidence. In cases where we're paying people who aren't getting the product they were hired to do, we're essentially throwing money away, which ultimately minimizes our ability as owners to provide for our company and family. It limits our ability to earn money to support more physical therapists and growing and serving more patients. So when we look at our decisions, we can explain this transparently to our teams. We want them to know this is the matrix of how we make decisions, so that as we look at benefiting the company first and foremost, when we serve that entity, there's going to be more profitability to give raises and help people grow along their path. Remember, making money isn't wrong. As a matter of fact, it's the measure of our success as to why we do what we do. So when we look at that having a surplus, we can use that money to better invest in our people, ourselves, and the vision of the company. Guys, if you have any questions or comments on this process, please add them in the description below in the comment section. I'll answer every single comment. Otherwise, please click like and subscribe. For every subscription, we're going to make a donation to feed my starving children. Until next time.